Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we'll be taking a look at an Air Jordan 1 Mid. This is in the ochre colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this channel a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Shout out to my Jordan brand family for sending these my way. Today we are going to be discussing a really nice color combination with some bright pops of color. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Silhouette in the ochre colorway. So we'll start off with the overview on these, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this. Then we will conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market. So let's jump right into it. As far as the color scheme goes, the entire upper for the toe box here is in a smooth black leather. Then on the front of that, we do have that yellow ochre colorway. If you are a fan of yellow, I do feel like this is a nice kind of mustardy tone. And then as we work our way up to the tongue, we've got white laces and almost in light heather gray tone for the nylon. The Jumpman logo and the Air logo is in a nice yellow tone, and then black behind that finish. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. Wrapping around to the side paneling, a portion of this is in the ochre yellow colorway where the eyelets hit, and then we've got leather in a white finish underneath the black leather finish for the swoosh mark, which wraps around to the back of the heel. Then the lateral side has the nice wings logo in that nice ochre yellow colorway, which quite pops off of that black backdrop very nicely. And then we have the same color blocking effect as we do on the medial side. The interior is in that ochre color for the Jumpman logo, and then the rest of the insole is in a black finish. Then we've got a simple white midsole and a black outsole. As far as the box goes, we just have a simple black box with a Jumpman in a golden metallic color scheme. Let's take a look at those last and final details and jump into size and fit. As far as size and fit goes, for pretty much all of my Air Jordan 1 silhouettes, I have been going half a size up. I do tend to wear a bit thicker socks with these, so I do need that extra space, and I have high arch narrow feet, so depending on what type of feet and shape and size that you have, it could differentiate from my own. So do take all of those things into consideration before deciding on what size range will work best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, if you're a fan of yellow sneakers, I feel like this is a great yellow combination that they went with here. So for the first look, I decided to keep it pretty simple with a Jordan Jumpman logoed hoodie in black and white with some nice simple Jordan leggings for more of an all black look. And that kind of, I feel like, made the sneaker pop quite nicely just because you have that really pungent, strong gold tone, or yellow golden tone.
Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of these lines. I can't fight you. I'm spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough when you touch me like that. Stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever.
And then for the second look, I decided to wear a Jordan quarter zip black sweatshirt. And then for the bottoms, I decided to go with some black cargo pants and a leather material.
I can't get enough, I don't know how you did it. Boy, you got me spinning round your bedroom. Touch me like the sun touches the morning. Yeah, yeah. Wind me up one look and you can read me like a story. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body. Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over.
And for the last and final look, I went with some Jordan black shorts, which I layered over some leggings. And then for the top, I wore just a Jordan black zip up hoodie.
I can't lie, yeah. I'm spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough when you touch me like that. Stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you now. I can't get enough, I don't know how you. What if my secrets ruin today? I pour another glass up to keep them at bay. Think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands up in me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. I found light in the darkness and learned to lead the way. Your flashlight is fading and I'm going my own way. The sharp words of anger.
All right, so as far as retail goes, these retailed for $125 and are currently still available on different Jordan retailers. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings and reviews. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all next episode.
You stabbed in my back, but you forgot that I can fight. You think you found me? Oh yeah, then